Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the message and clicking Reply so the response is attached to the right thread. Once done, look for the Send button's down arrow. That menu exposes Delay Delivery or Send Later options. Use Delay Delivery when you need specific date and time. Use Send Later for quick scheduled sends. You do this because scheduling preserves your draft context and recipients. Make sure your Outlook is online and the account is selected. Then proceed to set the delivery time. Now you configure the delivery options. In Delay Delivery, check Do Not Deliver before and pick the exact date and time you want. This is how Outlook queues the message. Make sure the time zone matches, otherwise recipients get it at the wrong hour. You can also adjust importance or sensitivity and attach files before scheduling, because edits after scheduling may require resaving. When you finish, click Close on the Options dialog to return to the message and prepare to queue the send. Finally, click Send. Your message will move into Outbox and remain there until the scheduled time, so you're queuing rather than sending immediately. If you use Exchange or Outlook web app, the server can send it even if your client is closed. Otherwise, make sure Outlook runs at the delivery time. If something goes wrong, check Outbox for held messages, verify account sync status, and confirm the scheduled time zone. If still blocked, reopen the message, reapply Delay Delivery, then resend to requeue it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.